I'm Deepika. I completed my graduation in Data and Stuff Technology with a Bachelor of Engineering in the streams of Information Science, and my pass out year is 2023. And I joined JSpiders in the month of November as an incubation student. And here in the JSpiders, I would like to thank all the faculties, that is Rahul sir for taking Java, the whole complete sections of Java, and SQL for Navya. And I would like to thank all the HRs also who's given me an opportunity for meeting the requirements. Totally from JSpiders I have got more than 5 requirements, but 3 interviews were scheduled, and I got placed in a company called Unisys. This was my 3rd interview. In the Unisys there were 4 rounds of technical rounds. All the 4 rounds were online, and I would like to thank the HRs, that is Adar sir and Shiva sir, for giving an opportunity for this requirement. And I would like to suggest everybody to join JSpiders and JSpiders Hebbal because of the good course, and they will make sure that you are placed to a company where you have your capability. And talking about my package for this company was, initially they announced was 5 lakhs, but due to the performance it was increased to 7 lakhs. So I would like to thank all the members of JSpiders and JSpiders for giving an opportunity.